Bitstamp Pro app. The pros, the cons. The Bitstamp Pro app is one of the longest running cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. You won't believe how professional its trading tools are, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's just for casual investor. It's actually designed with serious traders in mind. Pros include access to multiple cryptocurrencies, advanced charting tools, and low trading fees. The app provides real-time market data, limit and stop orders, and easy portfolio management. Security is strong with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regulatory compliance, making it a trusted platform for both beginners and experienced traders. Bitstamp also supports multiple fiat currencies, simplifying deposits and withdrawals. Cons include a less intuitive interface for beginners and custodial wallets, meaning you don't hold private keys directly. Some users report slower customer support response times during peak periods. The app also lacks some of the bonus features found on other platforms, like staking or rewards programs. In conclusion, the Bitstamp Pro app is perfect for those prioritizing security, regulatory compliance, and professional trading tools. Beginners may need a short learning curve, but it's a reliable platform for anyone serious about cryptocurrency trading.